Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I react to police chases, we got ASP in pursuit of a Scat Pack. Shout out to LRH and Cash for the video. Original video will be in the description down below. If you want to join the Liftoff mob, hit the subscribe button. So I guess now he hits his lights because we got audio. Because he's going 120 at this point. I don't see what he saw to be doing this. Damn. What this is, Trooper Bird. Alright, y'all already know what this is. If y'all watch police chases, man, just drop it down in the comments. You already know what he on. He going 140 himself. If the cops catch the bad guy, I clap it up for him. And we have a donut. I don't have a donut today, but I mean, we can have a virtual donut for Trooper Bird if he does catch this guy. You know what I mean? I might have to pull out the Diddy cop for him. Hey, it is what it is.
West 40. Okay, so he may come back on 40.
Yeah, he just turned in north. 1, 2.
This Charger ran from the wrong cop. Anyone who has the same context as me, when you see that name right there, you already know what it is. He not about to give up.
Let's see if they can get somebody else to stop 6 for 29.
He's getting on towards Forest City. He's westbound on 40.
That's like a blue car. Blue Charger.
56 instead of spikes.
He about to spin out in that bitch himself.
He's about a half mile ahead of me right now. It's a white Charger, black male with a white t-shirt, driving, temp tag, Arkansas temp tag on the back of it. About the 264 right now. Westbound.
Yeah, this chase is serious, y'all.
Yeah, what's your 20?
I don't know if y'all been tuning into the vlogs or not, but y'all should check out the vlogs. I got another one locked and loaded. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog today, but we getting chases done. So I'm gonna think of more content to do for y'all. It will be coming.
He should be coming upon you right now. That might be on the other side.
A dash cam would definitely be necessary. I should get a sponsor. Try to sell this dash cam on doing this video.
Alright, I'll be at the 256.
I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna sell them myself.
He's passing on the shoulder about a mile before.
I need one personally, so
He's still westbound.
hashtag dash cam.
I'm gaining on him about a quarter mile ahead of me now, maybe.
The cop's dash cam is fire.
Just let me go by.
He's driving reckless, bruh. I wonder how the other Charger got through there. Is this a V6? Because he can only go, he's going 141. Maybe the speed reading isn't accurate on the dash cam. Dog, he ain't catching this Scat Pack. I ain't gonna lie. Like, where do you? I haven't seen it. Is it that up there? Maybe it's that up there. Yeah, I think it's that up there. Because there is no lane. There's only 2 lanes, and that white car just merged somehow. Now look at the truck. They see the police, obviously let him through. Dumb fucks. He's just doing the same move as the Charger. The Charger just did that move. They need to put that a part of the licenses for them. To get your stuff, you should be able to know when to move. Have some etiquette. Damn. Get the heck out the way. For real. That would piss me off if I was a cop. Tickets for all of them. No, for real though. Oh, they wrecked out. They spiked that motherfucker. Scat Pack.
Your hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Put your hands up! Keep them up! Keep your hands up!
Damn. That didn't even last that long, bro. 5 minutes.
Walk back this way! Walk back this way! Whoa!
That's him.
That's him. Oh shit.
Walk back! Keep your hands up front! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Walk backwards!
He took their ass with a cast on, bro. A cast and a slide, bro.
Talking about what's going on. That's him.
Treacherous.
I thought it was a tent tag, but
Go down to your knees.
that makes sense. I don't know if there's anyone else in the car. We might ought to keep bringing him back.
Is there anybody else in the car? Anybody else in the car? Lay down on your stomach.
I'm gonna keep cover on you if you want to cuff him.
Yes, sir. I didn't even know you were chasing me.
Now let me take that. Rear park.
You didn't know we were chasing you. Haven't been chasing you for 20 miles. I didn't know. I feel like, well, I'm just cruising. Roll over on that side over there.
Shake him real good before we clear the
Roll
car.
over that. I can't open my movie. Well, I know you injured,
No.
but you ain't in a fire ant, so you're going to be...
Put that bag off.
He didn't know they were chasing him. Yeah.
Roll over if you want. Which way, officer? Roll that way, to your right.
Took their ass with a fucking cast on, bro. It's a nice
What you
ass
got
Scat
going
Pack.
on? Talk to me, Sarge. You good? You good?
What's in the car?
Nobody's letting me know down in the comments whether they want me to watch all of this fluff. You know what I mean? I seen a chase. He didn't even call it a chase. He was going about his day.
Clear the back. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna pop it. Pop? Backpack.
Damn, man. y'all serious and shit? Open the door with their gun out and shit. Bro, it's a fucking car, man. Why y'all pulling y'all guns out? That's why I don't think I'm gonna be able to watch these anymore, because they be pulling out guns and stuff, and that mess up my algorithm. So I'm gonna watch this one through, y'all. But if I see that it's that, then I'm gonna just cut it off at that. But this will be my test. Hit the like button, man. Give yourself a pat on the back if you stayed this long and rocked with me here during this chase, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all are the core people who keep me going when I need to keep posting. So I appreciate y'all. Again, give yourselves a pat on the back. Hit the like button.
Got some weed in the car? I probably got a blue bag in my food bag. Where you going? I'm going to Little Rock to see my auntie. Walk around the back. Okay, go. This is going to be real uncomfortable for you, but...
Dang, why they want to tell him it's going to be uncomfortable for him? Come on, dude.
You in college? That's probably over with, ain't it? Huh? You think this was very smart? I didn't even know you was out.
Now you going to his charger. You went from your charger to his charger. I hate that. I hate that for him.
Huh?
I don't know him, but
Is that what you're telling me?
I hate that for him.
Huh? You do? Alright. Go. You're gonna have to. I'm gonna push you in there if you don't get in there. You're going to get sideways or something. You ain't got no choice.
Damn, but they got a Durango right there. Why couldn't they just put him in there? That's how. So yeah, that was the chase for you guys. I don't know who that was. They knew him apparently. He didn't look like a criminal. I mean, a criminal wouldn't be able to afford that car. I don't know. Anyways, guys, let's clap it up for ASP, man. Trooper Bird, man. They executed perfectly. I see they pulling out the tactics. They're not just kind of just like acting like rookies the first time around every time. Like Trooper Bird, he has a backup plan. You know what I mean? He probably was in the V6 that day and he was maxed out at 140. But he called, you know what I mean, somebody on his shift to go throw the spikes out. All right, we getting on this one. Throw the spikes out. You know what I mean? Little tactic on his ass. They RPing now. Arkansas not playing. They're not playing this year, y'all. So I'll take this to the chin if the video gets strike, because they pulling out guns on a dang car, an empty trunk. But I don't condone running from the police, y'all. I'm gonna clap it up for ASP, Trooper Bird, blah blah blah. Hey, they're not playing, bro. If y'all like my quarter zip, man, let me know down in the comments. We're gonna put the JTSpeeds on it. Lift off mop something soon. I think it's too tight. Yeah, I don't know. If y'all stuck with me this long, for real, give yourself.
Dopey got a hair out. Yo, bitch, look, wear out. Bitch, I'm Gerald. Never mind, hair out. No, not hair out. Bitch, back out. Bitch, pretty and bad, but I can't settle. Driving with them 30 circle things, ballin' like mellow. Young nigga, fuck the government.